Hey, Trevor Matthews here. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm just in my HVAC lab doing some upgrading to some of my units. I'm actually adding a short switch multi-volt contactor to this unit here. And I thought I'd shoot a quick video on electrics. It's so important, especially with single phase compressors, to make sure you check those and verify if that is the issue or not, because we see a lot of compressors come back and it's just the electrical components that are the issue. Okay, so this unit is locked out right now electrically, so I got it all turned off, and I scanned this compressor with Copeland Mobile. So it's so important to have Copeland Mobile to verify the components as well, because there are many times people change components and they don't know why or which one to properly put in. I've had many calls where the wrong capacitor has been replaced with the either wrong voltage, wrong microfarad. So you need to scan the compressor or put it in the model number and find out in the electric section what capacitance that start or microfarads that start or run relay is, if it's in the system. So this one here, when I scanned the compressor, it said 30 microfarads for 370 volts. So I checked it and it was a 30.2, I think. So took the wires off and checked it. Copeland does sell hard start kits, so electric kits. So you get your run cap, your start cap, your potential relay, depending on the compressor, if it's a capacitor start, capacitor run. And so you need to make sure that you have the right components as well as the right equipment. So you need a meter that will check capacitance, right here, this one here, and then I just have it wired up, and this one here, it reads right. 35 microfarads is reading 35.2. You always can go up in voltage, but you can never go down. Like I said, we see a lot of compressor coming back. If you're replacing a single phase compressor, you should always be replacing the electrics. Contactor, filter dryer. These are just minimums, because what will happen, kind of like it happened to me when I first started out, is that I said, compressors failed. I go buy another compressor. I do all the work. I get this unit, think it's going to be running perfectly, turn the switch on, and it's humming because it was the electricity. You'll do it once, you won't do it again after that. My name is Trevor Matthews. Let's get a conversation going.